in the interest of always trying to make things better, I'm using a different camera today. We'll see how that goes. It's got no external mic on it right now, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, today we are going to go check out my buddy Ryan's auto shop that he purchased about a year ago. He's a huge car guy. On Instagram, he's Rio Ryan. I'll leave a link below. Great guy, and probably one of the youngest shop owners you're ever going to meet. So we'll check out his shop today. He's doing an open house on a Saturday. And yeah, let's see what it's all about. Okay, so we made it here to Elmwood Auto Service. Ryan, the owner, like I said, he's pretty young, but he definitely knows his stuff. So Ryan, why don't you tell us how you actually came to having the shop?
Yeah, sure. I had recently moved to a new shop. I was there for about a year when they shut down, and the environment there was really nice. The owner was really nice, and so I wanted to try to keep the shop together, and staff and customers. Everybody needed a new place to go, so I decided to open up my own shop here. And one of the staff members came with me. A lot of the customers came over. The other staff there, they kind of went and did their own things. A lot of them changed industries, so we didn't get as many of the old crew as we like, but we found a new crew, and it's been working out really well ever since.
And so how long have you owned this place?
It's been about a year and a half.
Okay. Yeah, and you've got a cool bunch of boxer engine beasts. We got the Unimog. We got the mini truck up there. So why don't you show us around?
Yeah, absolutely. Come on through. We got the staff vehicles in here right now. So we've got the Nissan and the 3 Subarus, one of the Skies.
That wing is the best type of ridiculous.
Yeah, so that's Kevin's wing, and Kevin's toolbox is almost equally impressive.
So did the car come with the wing?
I don't know a ton about the build process. I think it was a SEMA build. I think it came with the wing for Kevin.
Okay, yeah. Nice.
He bought it, I believe, a lot of it was done when he got it, but then I think he did a color change on it.
Okay. That's a wild car.
Yeah, and a wild toolbox.
Damn. So we can... Yeah, wow. You could live in that if you had to, I think.
It's pretty nice. This is Ethan's Subaru and Edward's Subaru.
So definitely a big Subaru crew here.
Yeah, they're pretty, they know their stuff when it comes to them.
Nice. So have you done anything to the shop since you bought it?
Mostly cleaning. We had to do a ton of cleaning. It was a real mess when we first moved in. I did a stereo for the guys. We've got 7 speakers throughout.
Okay, cool.
1 amplifier, which was nice. We've shuffled things around a few times, put on some paint, but nothing too crazy just yet.
No, same hoist that came with it?
Yeah, same hoist.
Okay.
Did a few tune-ups on the hoists. They needed some love. You know, upgrades to the air system, things like that.
Okay. Cool. And so, do you guys specialize in anything at all, or?
We work on a wide variety of vehicles. We specialize a little bit with fleet maintenance. We work on a lot of company vehicles. We also work on right-hand drive vehicles, which is sometimes hard to find.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are a couple of our specialties.
Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Well, thanks for try to get us both in here. New camera today, so
nice.
Well, thanks for showing us around, man. I really appreciate it. I wish you all the best of success. I'll leave any links in the description below for you, including the phone number for the shop. And if you're looking for a good independent shop in Winnipeg, definitely come see these guys.
Fantastic. Thank you.